Hello everyone. So today we are going to read the next part of the chapter, the digestive and excretory system. Means we are going to read about the excretory system and their parts. So what is excretion? The process by which waste get removed from our body is called excretion. So excretory system is another organ system that helps in getting rid of waste formed inside our body. Now let's read about the organs of the excretory system. So the organs of the excretory system include a pair of kidneys, ureter, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. So, kidneys are bean-shaped structure. This structure is called bean-shaped and it acts like filters. Just like we filter water, it also filters our blood to collect harmful wastes such as urine and excess salt from the body. The next part is ureter. So ureters are the tubes that carry this waste from kidney to the urinary bladder. The next part is urinary bladder. So urinary bladder stores the urine until it is released from the body. And at last, urethra is a tube that let out the urine from the urinary bladder out of the body. Now the question is why excretory system is important. So, urine is the result of the excretory system which balances the amount of water and salts in our body. And the level of water in our body is maintained by the kidneys. So kidney is an important organ of the excretory system and for its proper function, we should drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. Now here are some tips for maintaining a healthy excretory system. So first, we should drink plenty of water every day. We should exercise regularly. We should also avoid junk food and should eat healthy food like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, etc. And we should not wait too long to use the restroom.